I'm gonna dance by myself like nobody's watching. Don't really care if my rhythm's off, 'cause I'm gonna dance like nobody's watching me. I'm gonna dance by myself like nobody's watching. Don't really care if my rhythm's off, 'cause I'm gonna dance like nobody's watching me. I'm gonna dance, 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 dance. I'm gonna dance, 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 dance. I'm gonna dance, dance, dance like nobody's watching me.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
So we are here in Milford Sound. I think it's a bit of a hype from people talking about this place. Maybe we didn't get the good weather.
Maybe we're in the wrong season. We probably expected a lot more waterfalls to be around. It's quite dry.
You can see these little, I would not call them waterfalls. Like I can,
Streams running down the mountain.
yeah, I can wee more than that. Definitely.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Oh, yeah. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts.
We are with the company Real and Z. And they're all priced about the same. But what I like about this one is actually that it goes really, really close to the mountainside. The other boat didn't really get close.
Be free with me. Yeah, let's go. Be free.
So
Is it worth
with all the
coming
respect,
here?
yeah, I don't think that it's not worth it to come here. If you are coming from Queenstown and you take all these buses to come here, definitely don't take it.
I mean, it's 4 hours bus, 2 hours boat, and 4 hours bus back. No, not worth it.
If you're around this area and you not like you can drive here and just have 2 hours burst of your life to do this, do it. But
It costs,
don't change your plans and everything just to come here. I don't think it's worth it.
it costs 145 New Zealand dollars per person, the boat itself. Yeah, I think it's a bit overpriced.
You get a good views, but they don't cost $150. You know what I mean?
Well, we did see some seals.
That was the highlight of the tour.
Living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for.
The highlight of the entire thing is that waterfalls.
And the seals.
And they tell you like if you get wet with that water, you get younger.
Yeah,
Pretty
so
sad too. Facts, people. Well, I feel like when I was younger, I started to like made up stories in my old job, working on an island, about pirates, about mermaids, and all of that crap. You know, probably they do the same here.
Well, it makes the tour a bit more interesting, right?
Yeah. Well, it's quite beautiful. A bit boring. Not beautiful.
Yeah, we're on the way back now. So the tour takes 2 hours. About. And there we had to pay $40 for parking.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, there's 2 parkings. There's one free. There's been like almost half an hour walk, 20 minutes walk. And there is paid parking, which is $10 an hour. And we just chose 4 hours just to not.
Because if you put 1 hour and you extend more than 1 hour, you get a fine of $65 without notice.
So yeah, we'd rather just pay the 40 and be done with it.
Yeah.
We're probably gonna make it back in 3 hours, to be fair.
So you guys, I think, don't change your plans to come here. If you can, do it. If not, don't feel FOMO.
Apparently there's also like Milford Sound.
At Dusky Sound, yeah.
So other fjords that you can see. And apparently less touristic.
Yeah.
But we're not gonna go check them out. But maybe you should. If you do, let us know which one you like most.
Leave it in the comment below.
Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out.
So was Milford Sound worth it?
Yeah. Wake up early in the morning.
Drive 2 hours.
Yeah, I think it's definitely worth it. If you are around the area of Milford Sound, Teano,
Yeah, then
and if you do Milford Sound, make sure you do it early morning.
yeah, so we booked the 10:30 ferry and there was no problem for us finding parking, even the paid parking. But when we left at around 12:45, it was packed. So if you have the booking around 12 or after that, you might struggle to find parking. So try to get the early ferries.
Yeah, we got to see some seals, some very nice waterfalls.
We were really impressed by the fjords. Maybe it's just the wrong
Time on this,
season.
yeah.
But the
Because-
highlight was definitely seeing the seals.
Yeah, another immense waterfall. But
Yeah.
also the lady who was like doing the narrative during the boat, during the cruise, she mentioned that today wasn't a good day.
Because either you should go when it's clear sky so you can see the glacier, or you should go when it's pouring rain.
So you can see more waterfalls. The scenic views that you can see there are unreal.
The road going in and out was also a very beautiful drive. And if you want to stay in a place close to the Milford Sound but without power, we found this campground on the way that we stopped for a coffee on the way back.
It's called Cascade Creek.
It's super beautiful. Highly recommend staying there, but it's like a freedom camping place. Or it's like you pay to DOC and about $10.
Maybe it's free, sometimes you just need to book and that's it. So yeah, sometimes you just register then that's it.
Yeah, and they have toilets, but no showers or that. But for one night, we would definitely have preferred to do that rather than staying in top 10 in Teano like we did, because it was absolutely packed and the spaces are so small. There's zero privacy.
Yeah, zero privacy.
Really don't recommend that place. If you go to Milford Sound, don't forget to fill up your car before going, because it's 2 hours there, 2 hours back to the closest petrol station. So it's about half a tank for us.
Yeah, so make sure you put petrol, especially in the South Island where there are fewer petrol stations than compared to the North Island. So now we are driving all our way to Kaka Point. We're gonna talk about that in our next video. Why you have like a sock in your mouth? See you guys. Good vibes. Ciao.